Machine M working alone at its constant rate produces X widgets every 4 minutes. Machine N working alone at its constant rate produces Y widgets every 5 minutes. If machine M and N work simultaneously at their respective constant rates for 20 minutes, does machine M produce more widgets than machine N in that time? So let's organize our info in a chart. We got rate times time, because we got machines, we'll call it work. And then, so we have machine M and machine N. And what do we know? So we know machine M's rate is X widgets per 4 minutes. And then N's rate is Y widgets per 5 minutes. So then we have this sort of third component, which is M and N working together. So what do we want to know here before we go about solving this? So they ask, does M produce more widgets than N? So they, if they start at the same time and they work for 20 minutes, that is each of their individual times, then machine M's work is 20x over 4, which is just 5x. And machine N's work is 20y over 5, which is just 4y. And so we can think of our question as being, is 5x greater than 4y? Or if we want to get everything in terms of just one of our machines, is x greater than 4/5 y? So is x greater than 80% of y? So what that means, that's what we're saying, the widgets that M makes in 4 minutes greater than 80% of the number of widgets that N makes in 5 minutes. Anyway, so if we look at our statements, so it looks like the first statement is exactly what we're looking for. Our question is asking, is x greater than 4/5 y? Statement 1 says x is greater than 0.8 or 4/5 y. So without even doing any additional work, this is sufficient. Statement 2, y is equal to x plus 1. So does that help at all? I don't think that's going to really tell us at all. So if we want to get everything in terms of x is equal to y minus 1, but without any sort of restrictions on what x and y can be. If y is a really big number, if y is 100, and so x is 99, then it is x is greater than 0.8 y. But if it's a very small number, so if y is 2, then x is 1, and it's not going to be greater than. So this is going to be insufficient because there's no way to really determine without knowing something about the sizes of x and y. So we're left with just A. First statement.